The KINEKT Bike Suspension Seatpost XR lightweight aluminum alloy seatpost is a game-changer for cycling enthusiasts looking to enhance their riding experience. This innovative component is designed to absorb shocks and vibrations from rough terrain, making it an excellent choice for road cyclists who frequently tackle bumpy paths or uneven surfaces. In this review, we will delve into its design, performance, durability, and overall value, providing a thorough assessment of what makes the KINEKT Suspension Seatpost a standout addition to any bike. One of the most striking features of the KINEKT Suspension Seatpost is its lightweight aluminum alloy construction. Weighing in at just 545 grams, this seatpost strikes a perfect balance between strength and lightness. This is particularly advantageous for cyclists who prioritize performance and efficiency, as a lighter bike generally translates to better speed and agility. The aluminum material not only contributes to the seatpost's low weight but also ensures it is resistant to corrosion, enhancing its longevity. The design of the KINEKT Suspension Seatpost is both aesthetic and functional. With a sleek, streamlined look, it integrates well with various bike styles, from racing bikes to gravel bikes. The post is available in multiple sizes to accommodate different frame geometries, ensuring a snug fit for most bicycles. The suspension system utilizes a unique elastomer spring design, which provides a smooth, controlled ride. This design allows for a generous amount of vertical travel, between 20 mm and 30 mm, depending on the model, making it highly effective at dampening harsh impacts without sacrificing pedaling efficiency. One of the standout features of this seatpost is its ability to adapt to diverse riding conditions. During my testing, I rode on a mix of smooth pavement, gravel paths, and uneven dirt trails. The KINEKT Suspension Seatpost excelled in all environments, absorbing shocks that would typically translate to fatigue in my body. The seatpost effectively reduced the jarring sensations often associated with road imperfections, allowing me to maintain a consistent speed and energy throughout long rides. Even on gravel roads, where vibrations can become relentless, the KINEKT Seatpost provided an unexpectedly plush experience. Adjustability is another key aspect of the KINEKT Suspension Seatpost. Riders can customize the amount of suspension and the saddle height to suit their personal preferences. The seatpost is easy to install, and the included instructions provide a straightforward guide for making adjustments. This level of customization ensures that riders can find the perfect balance between comfort and performance, tailoring the seatpost to their individual riding style. Durability is crucial for any bike component, and the KINEKT Suspension Seatpost does not disappoint in this regard. The aluminum alloy construction is robust, and the elastomer springs are designed to withstand repeated stress without degrading over time. After several hundred miles of riding, I noted no signs of wear or loosening, which speaks volumes about the quality of materials used in its manufacturing. Moreover, the maintenance associated with this seatpost is minimal. Unlike traditional suspension systems that may require regular servicing, the KINEKT Seatpost's design allows for easy cleaning and occasional lubrication of the elastomer springs, ensuring that it remains in optimal condition without excessive effort. This ease of maintenance is a welcome feature for busy riders who want to spend more time on the bike and less time in the workshop. However, while the KINEKT Suspension Seatpost has many strengths, it may not be suitable for everyone. Riders who prefer a stiffer seatpost for racing or those who rarely ride on rough terrain might not fully appreciate the benefits of suspension. Additionally, the price point of this seatpost is on the higher end of the spectrum compared to traditional seatposts. While it is undoubtedly an investment, the benefits in comfort and performance may justify the expense for avid cyclists or those who frequently ride on less than ideal surfaces. In conclusion, the KINEKT Bike Suspension Seatpost XR lightweight aluminum alloy seatpost is an exceptional product that offers substantial enhancements in comfort and performance for cyclists. Its lightweight construction, effective shock absorption, and customizable features make it a